National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Arkansas County in southeast Arkansas, northeastern Cleveland County in southeast Arkansas, southern Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, northwestern Lincoln County in southeast Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kedron and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Woodville, Whitefield, Richardson, Matting, Little Bayou Meadow Park, Linwood, Langford, Kedron, Grady, English Lake, Cottondale, Terry, Swan Lake, Sarasa, Raydell, Randall, Payne-Evergen, Noble Lake. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 41 and 46.